Okay, day 10, here we go. Ooh, one of these. Okay, otherwise, what is X? Oh, single register. Cool. On the 20th cycle and every 40th cycle after that. Okay. So now the question is, let's see. When we add by 1, let's see, so CC at this point contains the number of cycles that are executed, so if CC then multiply with the value of the X register. Okay. Do the same thing here. I think it's after the instruction. Middle of the second add X. It's the starting value. Okay. I think we'll do this instead. That seems reasonable. And then what we care about is it should be CC. Nope. Let's see what I did wrong. I bet it was an alpha 1 or something. Ooh, okay. So we'll do this point is has the value 21. Oh, during. So that's going to be before. What's the 20th cycle? Okay, so this does execute actually. So I think we want to do this. Get rid of this. No, still not right. That doesn't seem very correct. Let's see. Oh, it's because I want to do it before the check. So we'll do it like this. Then I think we do still want to do this. After. No, okay. I have some bad bugs here. Oh, now it's 19. Oh. Oh, what's going on? Oh, it starts at 1. Oh, shoot. That was a terrible mistake. Let's see. Okay, this is gonna go after. This is gonna go after. I think it was this. Yes, this looks right. Oh no, I can't get rid of the starting input. Okay, well, now I'm confused. I was getting the right answer here, right? Yeah. Let's make sure this looks right. 1140, 1800, 2940, 2880. Hmm. 20, 60, 100, 140, 180, 220. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on here. Yeah. Hmm. That is pretty weird. Can't say I know what's going on. I don't think this should be the wrong answer. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I did submit something. I'm pretty sure I submitted this, right? Yeah, no. Hmm. Something a little weird is going on. Let's see. How many lines are there? 2,000. But we only care about these? Well, I guess this is part 2. After 2 cycles. I don't think this is the case, but just in case, if we do this, yeah, we get a different answer. So why does it not work? Hmm. And when I get the right sample input, sorry, did I fix this? Yeah, okay. 21, 19, 18. I mean, I already checked that these were right, so I'm like, I basically have to be working with the real input now, I think. Oh, wait. That seems like a bug. Wait, why was I starting this at 1? The counter should start. Yeah, so now after this many. Okay, wait. Let's see what's wrong here. This last one was wrong. And it's because it should have happened earlier. I don't think this will. Oh, well. I feel a little bad for just trying a bunch of stuff until it works, but it seems like it works now. No, I get the same answer. Oh, I guess I mean I should have, right? Like this change didn't do anything. What's going on here? I am really not sure. I mean, I guess No. Okay, so if we're in the add cycle, right, it doesn't, first that cycle finishes. So now we finish one cycle, we check. It hasn't, reg should not have updated yet, but CC has. And then after the next one, we do update it. So this really should go here. I mean, I guess I'll try this, but like, wait, no, yeah, I submitted. I mean, I know this doesn't work in the sample input, but I'm a little, maybe I should think about why it doesn't work in the sample input. It doesn't match on the last one, basically. And on the last one, let's see, let's look at during the 220th cycle. So 220th cycle is going to be during, oh, whoops, that's not true. I can't just index into that. Oh, so this is how many it's done previously. So it should have finished adding one. Yeah, this doesn't seem right. I cannot figure out what is going on. I'm sure later work's capped, but like, part 2 isn't capped, I guess, but I'm just very confused. Because I'm like pretty sure that there's nothing wrong with what I'm doing here. Let's try something like from scratch. I don't know. 20, 60, 100, 140, 180, 220. We'll do like register. Oops, sorry. So register starts off at 0 or at 1. The cycles elapsed will start at 0. And now seems reasonable. It starts with a no-op. What happens? In a no-op, it just does nothing, right? But it takes one cycle to complete. Okay, so cycles elapsed increases by 1. If cycles elapsed, the mark cycles. So, oh wait, no, yeah, hang on. Signal strength during, oh. If it's during the, well, I already tried this, right? It should be like up here. Let's go back to this rewrite. Speed is not really a concern anymore. I've already missed the keyboard. Okay, so if the number of cycles elapsed is in the mark cycles, right, then we're just going to mark it. Oops. And the signal strength is the cycle number multiplied by the value of the X register. Yep. Cycle number should just be the, like, cycles elapsed. Cool. Otherwise, we're going to do the add operation. Add operation takes 2 cycles, only updates signal strength. after, and we care about the during, right? So we're just going to do this twice, and then we are going to get the value, and we're going to add it to the register. Seems good. Cool. Seems reasonable. And then finally, we're just going to print some marked signal strengths. Let's see. And I am, for now, not going to care about any of this. So I think I've submitted this already. I think it's going to lock me out again. Yes. Now I'm locked out for 5 minutes. So, oops. I guess I already had it. So this doesn't work. Let's think about why. I was being pretty careful there. So it does get the right answer in the test. And if I looked at the marked signal strengths, I get the right ones. Yep. These are all right. So it just fails on the test input. I would certainly like to figure this out all by myself. I'm starting to be a little worried that there's something unusual about my input, but that's super unlikely. I got my whole input right. Let's see. Okay, so what I will do, first of all, I'm just going to change this to like Sam. That way I can actually add it back in easily. It is the sum, yeah. I am like out of ideas to check, but let's try. Let's look at like the first 20 lines of the input. What? Oh my god. That's embarrassing. I downloaded the wrong input. I was using the old input, and this was just never triggering. Wow, that is so annoying. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, well. Wow. Oh. Oh, I'm so sad about that. Yeah, I have like to wait 2 minutes for this, but it was working for the sample input because I was pasting it in my file, but it wasn't working for my my real input because it wasn't actually using the real input. I was using the input from yesterday, which conveniently, if you don't assert that like the beginning matches, it technically will treat it as the other input, right? So what I'm doing is I'm just checking, does the line start with this no op, and if it doesn't, then it treats it like an addx, and it doesn't check for the first thing as addx, it just takes the second thing. The second thing here is always a number, so it worked just fine. Oh man. I don't know what to do about that. I need to be more careful with this, probably. Well, of course I do. But like, what else could I do? Like I'm thinking, does it make sense to print the beginning of my input at the top here? Maybe. Maybe I start adding this to my templates to make sure that I'm like doing the right thing. Like just print the first 100 bytes of S. That seems pretty reasonable. Let's do like the first 5 lines instead though. The first 5 lines, and we'll cap each line at like 100 characters. Maybe like 10 lines. So 100 characters actually fit here. No, let's do 60 characters. Okay, maybe I'll leave this my template going forwards. I don't know, that's a pretty embarrassing bug to make. Oh man. 9 seconds? Okay. I guess since I've already missed leaderboard, I'll just take my time writing the part 2. I'll try and write it like in a clean way. Cool. Oh, not even top 1,000. That's wow. Whew. Ah, interesting. It just goes cycle by cycle. Okay. That's what the X register does. Okay, so this is just like kind of totally different. Like the signal strength is not a big anymore, I think. Maybe I'll leave this for now. Okay. And then we'll do the same thing. Except not caring about these, or these, or this. Okay. And what we'll do, so what does it ask us to do? Oh, just actually run it. Oh, that's actually, yeah, this is cool. Okay. So I will fold it later. Seems like it just, yeah. By fold, I mean like I'll turn it into a 2D array for display later. Cool. And then whenever a cycle elapses, we need to check if yeah. So if let's see, pixel x is going to be elapsed 40. That seems right. This is doing it 1 indexed, but I'm doing it 0 indexed. If the register is okay, so initially it would show like these 3. If the register is within 1 away, we will paint it. Otherwise, we will turn it off. Cool. So this happens during the cycle. Okay, that's cool. Which means we just paste this twice. And that seems correct to me. Yeah. And then see if that works. It does not. Just Doesn't like this, does it? Oh, that's why. Are these letters? They kind of look like letters, but kind of don't. I don't know if my if I have a slight bug or not. Let's see. Should have 6 rows, which I do. Yeah, these don't look like quite like letters. I probably have a slight bug here. Oh, it's probably an off by 1 or something. During cycle 11, start executing this, draw the pixel, finish executing. Now it's 12. Oh, whoops. I think it's this. Wait. I think it's... Pixel X should really be like +1, so I think it's this. No, it doesn't look much different. It looks a little different. Why did I think it was that? Oh, I didn't change it here. Does that fix it? No, it makes it worse. Oh, man. Well, so basically, if you just nop the whole time, right, what does it do? It should draw, like, a three wide, like, column, I think, right? That's my assumption, because it just starts here. If you do this, then what does my code do? Yeah, I guess we could just try it, right? Oh, yeah, you should definitely get a 3 wide column. So I think that -1 was not warranted. That looks more right. Let's see now if the sample input produces what it... Oh, wait. Okay, well... So why is it initially not? Let's just print the first line. The first line looks like this, which it should not, I think. What's the first instruction in SAMP? Yeah. So when it does this instruction, during the add x, we check this. Pixels x is 1. The register is 1. Wait. Do I want to subtract 1 from this? I don't think that's right. Hang on. I want to think more carefully about this before tweaking with the code. Because when I did all nops, it did draw the 3 wide, which is a sign that it is like working correctly-ish. See, so reg is 1. Pixel x would be like, it would be 1, then it would be 2, then it would be 3. I think the nops thing Oh. Ah, that's not good. Yeah, that is not what the NOPS should be doing. Okay, so the NOPS was not working. So I think we just need to do this. I think this will fix things. Oh no! Pixel X. It should be 0 when it draws this first one, basically, is what I'm thinking. So it's 0. And what is reg? Reg minus 0 should be... Why is it not drawing? Oh, it needs to change here too. I feel like there's a simpler way to achieve this, just to move everything before the increments. Okay, but now that looks like it should. Samp looks like it should. Yep. Get rid of samp. This RT. Cool. And now we see letters. Very cool. And we just type them in. Nice. Oh, let's see. Oh, oops, I logged out by accident. I will log back in. I didn't even have to. Okay. And let's see. What did I get? Oh man, 4-digit ranks. That is rough. It's okay. That was a really bad like meta issue I had here. I'm pretty sure my code was working like way before this, and I just had no idea. So yeah, it goes to show, be more careful with your daily setup. That will be the lesson I take out of this for sure. Okay, well that's it for today. Calling the video here.